16. The safety of God's people. He that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of Almighty. I will say of the Lord, He is my refuge and my fortress. My God, in Him will I trust. He shall deliver thee from the snare of the fowler and from the noisome pestilence. He shall cover thee with His feathers, and under His wings shalt thou trust. His truth shall shield and buckler. Thou shalt not be afraid for the terror by night, nor for the arrow that flieth by day. Nor for the pestilence that walketh in darkness, nor for the destruction that wasteth on noonday. 1,000 shall fall at thy side, and 10,000 at thy right hand, but it shall not come unto thee. Only with thine eyes shalt thou behold, see the reward of the wicked. Because you have made the Lord, which is my refuge, even the Most High, thy habitation. There shall no evil before thee, neither shall any plague come nigh your dwellings. For He shall give His angels charge over thee, to keep you in all thy ways. They shall bear thee up in their hands, lest you dash thy foot against a stone. Thou shalt tread upon the lions and others, the young lion and the dragon shalt thou trample under thy feet. Because He hath set His love upon me, therefore I will deliver Him. I will set Him on high, because He hath known my name. He shall come upon me, and I will answer him. I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. With long life will I satisfy him and show him my salvation. Ayan guys, ating naanuhan guys na the word of God promises to His people to be safety if we have only trust and believe in Him. So, ganun talaga guys, we need at this time, kailangan talaga natin ang ating matinding paniniwala sa ating Panginoon para Siya po ay mag-protect sa atin sa panahon ngayon. Ang promises po niya guys is He will protect us. He will cover us from His feathers, and under His wings shall thou trust on Him. And then, kahit na daw mga 10,000 ang namamatay sa iyong 1,000 shall die at your side and 10,000 at your right hand, it will not come unto thee, because God's protection is always with His people. But guys, according to His word also, na if you are in trouble, so it means guys na kung nasa Kanya ka na is wala ka ng trouble. That is not like that. He said if you are in trouble, He is with you. So hindi Kanya pababayaan. But He will take care of you. He will let you overcome whatever the troubles that come in your life. So that was the difference between the people that have God and don't have God. Because if you are a God believer, you have assurance that there is some powerful, there is God who is very powerful that will take care of you. At saka guys, kung kayo ay naniniwala talaga sa Kanya, He said that the protection is with us. kahit na nga raw yung napaka bangis na lion guys at saka scorpions na hindi yan sila na they cannot give you troubles or they cannot even destroy you guys, because God said that you shall trample thee under your feet. Ganun ka guys, ganun ka makapangyarihan kung nandyan ang Panginoon sa iyo. He said, because he has set his love upon me, therefore I will deliver him. I will set him on high, because he hath known my name. So if we know God, he will set his love. He will show his love to us. So he will deliver us from any pestilence. Katulad ngayon guys na may mga yung mga COVID viruses. God will protect us if we are trusting him. And he said that he shall call upon me and I will answer him, and I will be with him in trouble. I will deliver him and honor him. So and also he also promised, with long life I will satisfy him and show him my salvation. Yan po ang promises ng Panginoon guys sa lahat ng mga nagtitiwala sa Kanya. Nagtitiwala at nagsasaka. Yan po ang promises sa Kanyang mga tauhan. Na He will give him and He will show him the salvation that He promised to His people. So much for that guys. I hope that you like the Word of God. Itong chapter na to guys ay ginagamit ito guys na para bang sa mga powerful people pa guys, yung mga parang ginawa nilang taming. Sa Bisaya pa guys, taming. So wherever you go daw, tapos na kinataktakutan ka, you just imo lang daw niya siyang i-recite guys, kining Psalms 91. Mawawala yung guys, yung bad na impressions, bad na mga iniisip mo, yung mga tao na masasama na may mga masasamang balak sa'yo. Parang it is really God will hear you when you are asking for help, and when you call to Him, He will really answer you. So you just memorize these verses guys, or chapters. This is very good to memorize or to learn, because this word is have assurance that God will really protect His people and any troubles and any situation of your life, and if you call Him, He will answer you. That's all for today guys. Thank you so much for your listening of my video, and hope that you can get a strength and spiritual side guys, that you can strengthen your faith to God, especially at this time that the world is very difficult to understand. The world is so busy and the world is so very crowding na guys. So iba na talaga ang panahon ngayon, kaya we're just trying to make ourselves pag natin yung sarili natin, kung tayo ba ay nasa Panginoon or so much for this guys, and thank you so much po sa lahat ng mga nakikinig. Salamat sa aking lahat ng mga members at sa lahat ng aking mga super chatters at sa mga teams na sumusuporta sa akin, sa aking mga YouTubers, mga subscribers guys. Thank you so much for your support and all the viewers. Thank you so much to all of you, and I hope that God also will bless all of us and protect us from any dangers and any diseases, especially at this COVID time. And I ask also that if God will allow us to enter this YouTube world, He also find a way, or maybe He has a plan for us. Maybe He has a plan for your goodness of your life. Maybe He wants you to be a preacher in the media. So He wants you to make other people's happy, because everything has a reason, and God made everything meron siyang meron siyang dahilan kung bakit niya yun ginawa. Bakit niya kayo pinapasok sa YouTube world? Maybe because He wants, maybe if you are a joker, He wants some people to laugh. When there are some people that are sad, He want that they will feel happy because of you. Or else there are some people they don't know kung paano i-cure yung sakit. So He also use you to let them know kung ano po ang mga pwedeng ilulunas doon. Tulad ni Ma'am Gracie Vlog Tabibian. Yan guys. Maganda yung mga contents niya guys, is for health. For health yan siya guys. So for funny naman, yan si Jason Mireles. Ayan. So may mga guys, may mga paraan ng Panginoon. May mga ways ang Panginoon kung paano niya palaguin or magiging yung buong mundo. Lahat na talaga guys, nandito na talaga sa media guys. Make you feel fun, make you feel happy, make you feel sad, nandoon na rin. May mga din. At saka may mga kaalaman din talaga. Lahat talaga dito sa mundo ng media ay na talaga, nandiyan na talaga lahat. So kahit ang Word of God guys is already spreading in the media. So you can find whatever the topics that you want, whatever the videos that you want to watch, for spiritually, materially, or else for cooking, for good health. So that is guys, so much for this. Thanks for watching guys. Please like, comments, and subscribe. Marilyn Anchela TV. Bye bye guys. God bless us all.